Hello everybody out there. This is a really quick video that I want to share with you people about how to build your dream life using AI by example. So what I'm doing here is I'm writing down what I wish to create, or to some of you manifest. I'm writing that down on a list I have here. Get that list so I can share with you people exactly what I'm doing. You can learn with me right now. We are going to use artificial intelligence to enhance and to upgrade whatever it is we are creating. So I had earlier on taken a blue pen and a white sheet of paper and wrote some things down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 things I wrote down which I wish to create manifest with the aid of artificial intelligence, AI. Do not be afraid of AI. This is how it is going to help us to enhance every area of our life. So, I wrote a list of things. While you're doing this, you're going to extend out into a longer sentence, one quick sentence to summarize whatever desire you wish to create. One of the things I wish to create is getting a brand new laptop. Top speed, top of the line. I'm a webmaster. That will give me the desired boost I need to get you guys the best quality of content I can put out there. See how passionate I'm about that? I put that down, a few other key goals. So you can just write, I'm so thankful and grateful for my new laptop that's of maximum efficiency with all the accessories to match. We are using the law of attraction. So we do not need to know where the money is coming from. Just that I want a brand new laptop, and I'll let you guys know about it. I have an experiment somewhere where I have talked about in depth about how I'm going about creating a new laptop. So if you want to get a new laptop, create one yourself. Don't know where it's coming from. Just follow one of the links or cards above, or I'll leave it in the description so you can find that out and watch it. So back to this particular process of how to build your dream life. So each of the items you have written down, give a gratitude statement for that item. Always already being in possession of it. If you like luxury meals at 5-star restaurants in exotic places around the world with first-class treatment, write that down. That was the key. If you got that one, write that one down. Right, I'm so thankful and grateful for XYZ amount of money that's coming into me every month. And in return, very important, in return, what are you giving for that? So if you have a skill, you don't have a skill, just find something to write out. Like for me, I write in return for what I desire, what I'm creating, what I'm manifesting. In return for that, I'm giving the information on the law of attraction to you. You see how that works? I'm giving my information on the law of attraction, everything I've studied, to you in a condensed form so you can get your goals or dreams or desires faster. Trust me, if you've been watching my videos, or if you're new to it, watch it. Come back and watch it again in 30 days. You'll figure out and find out, wow, I'm helping you to accelerate, give you quantum jumps. That part too is very important. What do you intend to give? On a sidebar, let me help you with that one. This is common knowledge. I have to bring it up again. I always like to bring it up so that everybody knows how serious it is. In the book Think and Grow Rich, in the 6 steps to creating your desire, he mentions in number 2, the second step. Read it. I'll leave it there for you to read. Step 2 is, what do you intend to give for what you desire? So for all of those of you who have been going around writing your goal cards and you're not writing down what you want to give, I encourage you, go back, read this, the chapter on desire, and decide what you plan to give. What is that noise? Let me see something. 1 second. I'm back. Sorry about that pause. I had to make sure I'm having crystal clarity when I'm speaking with you out there, so you know exactly this. It's got to hit home without any interruptions from that. My refrigerator is being funny. Back to what I was saying. Yeah. Decide what you want to give. So I just write things down on my list. I write each one down. After you have written whatever it is you want, don't even think about where it's coming from. Just remember, you're using the law of attraction. Your goal is simply to write it down. Write it down to the best possible way you can do it. Just simply write it down. Then, this is the fun part. After you've written it down, you now go to whatever AI chat box you wish to use. I myself personally have been using ChatGPT, the free version. There's a limit you get to, but whenever I get to that limit, I just stop working. It's free. If I wanted to pay for it, I'd pay for it. I just enjoy using it to what I can use it for. So I've gotten used to that maximum effort I can give my own personal ChatGPT. So now I go there and I will type in each one of these lines of my desires. After I put that into the ChatGPT, I would say in the prompt, can you please give me an outline in the day of someone with all these desires and characteristics, and give it to me in 6 minutes. You type it in. You hit enter. ChatGPT is going to give you an example of the life in the day of someone who has everything here, including the laptop, which I'm manifesting, I'm creating. So when I put that all in, it gives me the printout. And I have the printout. I read it, make sure it goes with my flow. Do the same thing too. This is how you're going to manifest real fast. You do this thing only once. That's the best part about it. You don't have to be dragging it out. You don't have to be dragging it out. That's why my elite clients, I always tell them, I just need to coach you for 30 days. I'm like training wheels. I'm a trainer. I don't need to be dragging your development for like 6 months packages. I don't do that. That's why my courses are the fastest. After you read this out from ChatGPT, you make adjustments with your own hand on your paper, presumably on the back. You get that flow. You place this paper any way you want. Normally I just like fold it up, put it in an envelope and forget about it. Why? That's what I'm supposed to do. I forget about it. And then I focus on that. I record my voice speaking into my device, reading what I've put together from myself and ChatGPT, AI, without fear. And then I record my voice speaking into my phone. That was 6-7 minutes. Play that on loop every single day for 30 days. You just keep playing it on loop every single day. In your control panel of your mind, we all have a control panel of your mind. It's like a dashboard. Your mental dashboard. Remember that word, mental dashboard. On your mental dashboard, you have certain switches. You have one switch which is for wealth, where you can upgrade your wealth status. That's in a later video. But for right now, we're focusing on creating your dream life using AI. Once you're able to put those together, you record that in your device, play it constantly for 30 days. You're going to get flashes of inspiration, flashes of inspiration, flashes of inspiration. You can go back to AI at any point in time and ask AI, as I've been going through these things, can you tell me my blind spots? Ask AI in the prompt, can you identify any gaps, any blind spots from what I am working on? AI will give you a list of supposedly blind spots. You'll be able to find what they are and correct them. Always put that into your prompt. Blind spots. Identify your blind spots. This is really how you use AI to your benefit, to your growth. Your AI chat box is custom to you. So if you're using the free version, which I always encourage everybody, get used to using one, because everything you've put inside of it is there. It knows your style. It understands you. And you're asking it. You're asking it to enhance your experience, which it must do. If you have any questions about understanding ChatGPT, any questions on understanding any of that, I should make a video on that, I really should. But for now, if you have any questions on how to go and how to outline your dream script, your dream life, and then how to import it into ChatGPT and fine-tune it, let me know. I'd love to see what you're using, how we can all learn it together. So that's basically how you use AI to build your dream life. Is you create your life first on paper. Blueprint on white paper. The reason why I like this, there are no lines. When you start using lines, you are constricting your thought process, which is great, but you want free flow. Just write it out. Just write it out. And then to start to put in to ChatGPT. So I just wanted to make this quick video to understand how I use AI to enrich my experiences, to upgrade my experiences, and how you too can use AI towards your dream life. All right, thank you. Until the next video, I love you. I really do.